Hi, my name is Bob Della Valle. I'm a professor of dermatology and public health at the University of Colorado, and I'm editor-in-chief of JAMR Dermatology.
My name is Torin Sivasand. I'm a clinical dermatology research fellow at the University of Colorado in Denver.
So my vision for JAMR Dermatology is to make it a top dermatology academic journal. Dermatology research involves both skin, hair, and nails. And I think we have a special focus in JAMR Dermatology on how social media interacts with dermatology and the field of dermatology. Another focus for JAMR Dermatology is teledermatology, and we are the official journal of the International Teledermatology Association. We're so proud of that. So I was inspired to join JAMR Dermatology because JAMR is a disruptor in the field of academic publishing these days. I'm very excited by the leadership of Gunther Eisenbach and how he built this company from scratch. And I'm amazed at the current availability of open access publication for dermatologists. So I don't think there could be anything more exciting for me as a researcher in dermatology, or to spread the word to my fellow researchers in dermatology about if they're looking for a global international open access platform for sharing their research. I've been a researcher in academic publishing as well as dermatology for several years now. I've been very interested in the revolution occurring in publishing, and I've studied that for other topics in addition to dermatology. And I'm very excited to be in a role now where I can help to make some of the ideas that my research and publishing have brought to fruition, to make those a reality with JAMR Dermatology.
So for JAMR Dermatology, over the next 1 to 3 years, I hope to see additional publications related to technological innovations in dermatology, both in a clinical setting as well as an educational setting. As a resident, or soon to be resident, hopefully, and as a current fellow, I'm very interested in how education is changing in medicine and how these new technologies are being employed. And so I hope to see more research in that area, as well as in teledermatology, which has become increasingly prominent since the COVID-19 pandemic.
So I think in the next 1 to 3 years, JAMR Dermatology will be focusing a lot on teledermatology. Also, we are reaching out to dermatoepidemiologists, so epidemiologists who study dermatologic diseases at the global level, and also big data researchers in dermatology. These are all very exciting new areas of dermatology research, and I believe JAMR Dermatology is poised to be a key journal for getting out the word on all the latest findings in teledermatology, dermatoepidemiology, and big data research in dermatology. So I want to appeal to all my fellow dermatology researchers out there to think about publishing their most important global dermatology research in JAMR Dermatology to give the global audience free access to their research forever. I also want to appeal to top researchers to consider joining our editorial board.
I would encourage all residents and fellows and medical students to consider submitting their articles for publication in JAMR Dermatology. From my own experience as an author and as someone involved in research, the quality of feedback that I've received from JAMR Dermatology has been above and beyond anything that I expected and what I've received from other journals. I would encourage anyone to take advantage of that in order to improve the quality of their work and to get the kind of feedback that will enable development in dermatology as well as in future medical endeavors.
Thank you for watching, and we hope you will submit your work to JAMR Dermatology.